Hey, it is a Slid, and today we have Ultimate Fafnir with the Metal Frame mod going up against 4 Beyblades. So this is going to be the 5 Beyblade Battle Royale. It's going to be against Satomb, Variant Lucifer, Helios Volcano, and Naked Spriggan. So this is for Battle Week Day 4, 5 Beyblades in the Slingshot Bay Stadium. But anyways, let's see which one is going to win this Beyblade battle today. Alright, 3, 2, 1, rip. Fafnir is now in the stadium. Lucifer. Ball in here. Burst finish. Who's it going to be? And it will go to Naked Spriggan. So they did take down Fafnir. Alright, next round. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Alright. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. Let's get some of the left spins in first. And we'll get the other 2 in. And there goes Naked Spriggan. The first finish, and it will go to Variant Lucifer. Alright, next round. 3, 2, 1, let it rip. There goes Fafnir. And he knocked himself out of the stadium. Great. Alright. Alright, now it's 4 this time. Because he did knock himself out. And another burst finish. And it goes to Variant Lucifer again, just barely. Alright, next round. 3, 2, 1, let's rip. There goes Fafnir, Spriggan, Helios, Variant Lucifer, and Satomb. And it's another burst finish, and it goes to Variant Lucifer once more. Alright, next round. Alright, 3, 2, 1, let's rip. There goes Fafnir, Spriggan, Helios once more. Alright, let's get... And there goes Spriggan. And there's Satomb. There goes Fafnir, and it goes to Satomb! So Satomb actually got 1 point there. Alright, next round. Alright, 3, 2, 1, let's rip. Fafnir. Spriggan. Helios. Variant Lucifer. And curse Satomb. Alright, that's 2 Beyblades gone. And it goes to Variant Lucifer again. Alright, next round. 3, 2, 1, rip. There goes a lot of the space. There's Variant Lucifer. And the left spins are actually knocked out. It is now between Variant Lucifer and Fafnir. Who's it going to be? It will go to Variant Lucifer. Alright, next round. Alright, 3, 2, 1, let's rip. There goes Fafnir. Spriggan. Helios. There's Variant Lucifer. Come on, Satomb. First finish. And it goes to Fafnir. Ultimate Fafnir. Alright, next round. Alright, 3, 2, 1, let's rip. Fafnir's in the stadium. Spriggan. Helios. Let's get Lucifer in there. And Satomb. Alright, all 5. Alright. And it goes to Fafnir again. Jeez, that was a lot of chaos. Alright, next round. Alright, this is going to be the final round because this is getting into chaos. Let's see who's going to win this. Lucifer's got his barrier up. There goes Helios. There goes Satomb and Spriggan. It's now up to Fafnir and Lucifer. This is going to be... And it will go to Variant Lucifer. So you guys, in the comments below, tally up the points. Tell me which Beyblade actually won this competition. Because this was very fun to do. Yeah. I hope you all enjoyed Battle Week Day 3. No, Battle Week Day 4. And tomorrow will be Battle Week Day 5, which will be 6 Beyblades. You know what? If you guys want, you guys can choose what 6 Beyblades I can battle in that stadium. But yeah, hope y'all enjoyed Battle Week Day 5. Tell me what you think in the comments below and who won. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.